Why hello YouTubers, this is a very dead mini moto. Now I was looking at this for somebody and yes, it has some problems. As you can see, the rear shock is doing this. That's dead. It's actually started to unscrew itself inside there as well. The wheel bearings are not very good, the brakes don't work. The frame is actually slightly bent to one side. The suspension fork bushes are sort of falling apart. The seal is just there. And there's also a broken part of the fork just there. Cables and all the other sort of stuff as well, all normal stuff needs doing. The foot pegs are kind of bent. There's lots of things that are kind of bent on this thing. It's more bent than George Michael. Anyway, moving on. Here we have the engine. This is a 70cc rather big bore kit that has been installed on here, which sounds very good until you look down the exhaust ports. There's your exhaust port. You look at that piston. You can see inside the cylinder as well, it's really scratched up. Really scratched up. Yes, you can feel that with your finger now. It's got some compression, but not a lot. You see it leaking there, look. See the whatever excess oil and stuff in there leaking past the piston. And you can see the actual scratch marks in the cylinder quite clearly. So yeah, she's dead, Jim. It's also leaking out of this gasket here. Here somewhere on the other side there's a crack. Oh, there's a crack right there. Ooh. Didn't realise that. There's another one right there. You can't weld that because it's basically like a pressure vessel, and if you was to do that, that'd be really bad. So yeah, that concludes this video on the dead mini moto. RIP.